Alright, that looks tacked pretty good. We flip it over, tack the other side so it doesn't try to warp on us. Probably just weld the other side. Although it looks like I got still a little proud bead here. I'll grind that off before we flip it over so it'll lay flat. I find these clamps invaluable for this kind of stuff. I didn't have them until a few months ago. Now I can't imagine doing this work without them. They keep everything together where you put it. Helps keep these things flat. You can clamp them to angle plates and stuff. My fab work has just gotten so much better since I got some decent clamps. Those silly angle magnets, I don't think they're worth the junk. They're lousy. They're not very strong. Maybe I just had cheap ones, I don't know. But man, these things are the way to go. Alright, I'm just going to weld this all the way down now. We should be good to go. I doubt it's going to try to warp on us. I'm going to want to turn that heat up or down. I like how it's welding. Let's go with it. Let's experiment. Let's turn it down a little. But that's kind of high. The bead's high. I'm going to raise the heat so it puddles better. That's much better. Just to be clear, I am not a welder, nor do I claim to be one. My welder makes me more of a welder than my talent does. Pretty good machine is the way to go. I'm going to smooth this side out too. That way I just don't have to worry about which side I drill and which side the motor is going to go on. Alright, that's good enough. Sits nice and flat on both sides. Doesn't really rock. A little bit there. That's the table's got still some slag on it here and there. Yeah, there it doesn't even go. So it ain't pretty, but I don't need it to be, so I ain't bothered to make it real nice. Just buzz it in, get it to go. That should work. Now we can slot it.